Sanibonani bafundi, sifunda ngokudla. We are learning about food. Ilayisi is rice, inyama yenkomo is beef, inyama yenkukhu chicken meat, isitshulu is stew, ufishi noma inhlanzi is fish, izitshalo noma imifino is vegetables, izithelo is fruits, amagwinya is fat cakes, ujeqe steamed bread, amashibusi is fries. Manje-ke sesizokwenza imisho ngamagama esiwafundile. We are going to make sentences with the words that we have learned. Ngithanda isitshulu. I like stew. Ngibona amagwinya. I see fat cakes. Ngithenga inyama. I am buying meat. Inyama yenkomo. Ngithenga inyama yenkomo. I am buying beef. Angithandi ilayisi. I don't like rice. Manje sesizosebenzisa isihlanganiso ukodwa ukuhlanganisa imisho yethu. We are going to use the conjunction but to put our sentences together and make one sentence. Kodwa is but in English. Ngithanda isitshulu kodwa angithandi ujeqe. I like stew but I don't like steamed bread. Ngithanda amagwinya kodwa angithandi inyama yenkukhu. I like fat cakes but I don't like beef. Let me read that again. Ngidla amagwinya kodwa angidli inyama yenkukhu. I am eating fat cakes but I am not eating beef. Umama uthanda izithelo kodwa ubaba uthanda imifino. Mom likes fruits but dad likes vegetables. Manje sesizofunda ngezithelo nemifino. As we have seen in the previous slides, izithelo is fruits, imifino is vegetables. Now we are going to look at the different kinds of fruits and different kinds of vegetables. Izithelo, fruits, ubanana is banana, ikhabe, watermelon, i-apula is an apple, pineapple is pineapple, iwolintshi is an orange. Izitshalo noma imifino, that's your vegetables, ispinashi is spinach, utamatisi, tomatoes, amazambane, potatoes, u-anyanisi is onions, and iklabishi is cabbage. Masenza imisho, senza imisho efana nalesifundile. When we make sentences with these words, we use the same way that we have learned in the previous slides. Salani kahle.